Stop by. You can see them in the View Events Organizer dashboard here. Again, quickly, 309 events, 210 upcoming from the NFL season. I've loaded it into the data set here. And specifically to the 29th, which is tomorrow. Today's the 28th. I was inspecting a particular game here for the Eagles at Tampa Bay. So when I pull out this report here, you'll see that 11 calendar invites have already been sent out. 7 RSVPs have come back. 2 people have accepted, 3 people have declined, and then 2 are tentative. Now, this was done via bulk send, and that's what my video series here is on the NFL games for 24-25. So you can see here that I've already sent out a bulk run. That bulk run was for Philadelphia Eagles at Tampa Bay Buccaneers. When I go back up here and I scroll up, that data set was sent to these people. So I sent out a calendar invite for the 29th to these people, to this email list, to simulate the SES sending capability in which we've built via pinpoint marketing stack on AWS. So that said, these have already been sent out. So I'm going to get the original report that kind of is a grounding report for this data set. So this comes out as S3. So that data set is going to go to the organizer. And that organizer here is footballschedules@outlook.com. So this is the Outlook account. And you'll see here that I'm going to double click this. It came in at 351. You see up here it's 351. So I'm going to click this report, and it's going to show that Zach declined it and Mandy said tentative. So let's just pick on, say, Mandy here. There's Mandy. She has said, let's go back up here and take a peek as I scroll around here. She originally said tentative. I've just going to say, excuse me, that is Zach. So I'm gonna basically say Zach here has declined, as you can see here. I'll move Zach back to maybe, and I'm gonna go to Mandy, which I did not see originally for this game. And let me kind of peck around a little bit. So it's Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and it's at the Eagles. I send out lots of these, so sometimes I get a little lost here. So excuse me in the demo. Let's see if I can find it real quick. I'm going to type in Tampa. And that game is for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers at the Eagles. And here it is here. So originally, Mandy had said that she was tentative, and you see the maybe here. I'm going to move this to yes. So both those data sets now are collected right back in the calendar receipt system. So what I'm going to do is go back here. You'll see that these will change here. This data set will change. So I'm going to refresh this. We're going to grab the data set at S3, and you see right here immediately that 3 now have accepted, 2 have declined, and 2 are tentative. So let's go back to this report, and let's validate it. I'm going to go ahead and send the report back to, for privacy reasons, obviously, to the organizer, and it just came back in, and you'll see that under tentative, Zach is tentative, and Mandy, as I scroll up here and look for Mandy accepted. So Mandy has accepted, as it's indicated here in this panel, and I'll go back to Zach, and Zach said maybe. So this data set aligns. So I can go back here and say yes to Zach, hit a refresh here. It's going to talk back to the bucket at S3. I'm going to refresh this over here. You'll see an update here. And now it says 4 have accepted. I'll go ahead and validate that. Send the report back for privacy reasons to footballschedules@outlook.com. You'll see it. This came from the S3 bucket back to me for privacy. Click on it. And I'm looking for Zach has accepted. So you can see the real-time calendar receipt engine here at work, and I appreciate you stopping by and checking us out.